What's up, gang? GNCRC back once again with another video. This is going to be a little bit different this time, guys. This video is about a kid and his truck. So a bunch of you guys remember this rig. When I bought, I want to say my first one, or maybe my second one, I bought one for my nephew. So I know my nephew's really into gaming. I bought this for him because I really wanted it for myself. So I figured he'd just be like, hey, you can have it, I don't want it, not a big deal. And that would be, it would make me feel a whole lot better about me buying it and spending the money on it. As time went on, we went to crawl. I think he crawled with me twice. One of the time, his little buddy was over here with him and he crawled. And I think he had this truck for a little bit over a year or so. I remember crawling, and some of the things that we crawled, he beat me on with stock tires. And I was using stock tires at the time, I think. I was gonna get him some upgrades, and I was really getting myself upgrades, but he didn't want any. He told me he wanna keep it just like it is because he kicked my butt. So this truck is completely stock, guys. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with it just yet, but let me tell you how I acquired this thing, guys. Yesterday, which was like Wednesday, new perk on Fortnite, and I think it was like 20 bucks. It was like Spider-Man or something like that. We were just talking. I said, you wanna go crawling with me one weekend? Nah, I don't wanna go. By the way, you know, if you still want that truck, I can make a deal with you. I'm like, okay, cool. He said, hey, you get me some V-Bucks, you can have that truck. Like, are you not gonna use it anymore? Nah, I'm not gonna use it anymore. I'm not gonna use it at all. You sure you're not gonna use it? Nah, I don't wanna use it. Like, okay, so basically I got to give you V-Bucks to buy back a truck that I gave you that I already paid for. So he goes, yeah. And he was like, how about the V-Bucks and $20? I said, okay, I'll think about it. Let me go out today and go make some money. And when I get done, if I have some customers paying cash, I'll probably make that trade and I can buy the truck back. I'm like, so I can buy the truck back that I already bought. And he was like, yeah. I was like, you know how that sounds? He's like, yeah. He's like, but you know, business is just business. I'm like, oh my God. But hey, so I just wanted to show you guys, I did get the truck back and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might use it as a test truck. Don't know just yet, but I got to figure out something to do with it. I don't want to keep it forever. Thought it was a funny story, guys, so I just wanted to tell you guys that. Till next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.